Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aisyah SAKINAH binti Razali. My metric number is AW11203. So today I will do a video about my assignments, which is cover topic chemical kinetic. In this topic, we will cover 5 subtopic. But luckily today I will only cover for one subtopic, which is factor that affecting rate of reaction. As we know that factor that affecting the rate of reaction, there is four factor, which is concentration, factor of concentration, factor of temperature, factor of size, and factor of catalyst. But I would love to do experiment in factor affecting of reaction for size. Okay, so today we at experiment segment. So today I will do an experiment that related to our topic, which is factor that affecting the rate of reaction from size factor. So today I already prepared some material that can we get easily from our home, since this is home experiment. So the material is below. So in this experiment we use water as the solvent, and then the salt, kitchen salt, which is we have two kind of kitchen salt, which is fine salt and the coarse salt. So this is the solute that will be dissolved in our water. So we'll put both salt and stir gently. After a few minutes stirring the salt, we can see the differences between two solvents. In B, which is for coarse salt, for coarse salt, there is some salt that remain in the bottom of the glasses, and in A, there is no salt that remaining in the bottom of the glass. So we will go to the next explanation about this observation. Okay, hi, I'm back again. So yeah, after we do the experiment, we can see that the fine salt get easily to dissolve in the water, while the coarse salt get hard time, or we will call that take some time to dissolve in water, which call that fully dissolve. So from this observation, we can conclude, or we can discuss that the fine salt, which is we can see in our eyes, that fine salt the size is more smaller, while the coarse salt, the size of salt is much coarse or bigger than the fine salt. So in this theory of factor that affecting the rate of reaction, we can say that if we use the small particle or small substances, it will give the greater surface area. So the greater surface area will increase the collision. But wait, before we move to the next point, I will explain a little bit confusion that we will think by ourselves. But don't worry, I will clear that confusion. I really hope that this simple example will help you. So yes, for particle size that we have is small size, right? So the small size will give the or will increase the surface area, because the small size will only take a least placed in container or any beaker, so there is a lot more space. So that's why if we use the small substances or small particle, it will increase the surface area, because the surface that occupied by the particle is only little compared to the larger size. As the proof, we can see that the fine salt get easily to dissolve in water rather than coarse salt. Okay, then the next point is, as the result of the increasing the surface area, the collision, the frequency collision of reactant will also increase. As the increasing of the frequency collision, the frequency effective collision of reaction will also increase. So the increasing of the both frequency collision and frequency effective collision, the rate of reaction will also increase. So regarding to this condition, so the time taken for this reaction will be faster. So it is good for us to use fine salt rather than coarse salt. However, it depends on us to use fine salt or coarse salt, because it depends on our portion of cooking, right? So for the conclusion, I will give graph for this experiment. So as we can see, for line in A, which is higher than B, A is referred to small size, which is for fine salt, and B is for coarse salt. So we can see that A is higher than B. This is because the rate of reaction in A is much higher than rate of reaction in B. From this graph, we can simply say that particle of size is play an important function or important role in affecting rate of reaction, because you can see, right, that the increase of the higher graph of A uh, will also say that the rate of reaction will be faster than in B. So the rate of reaction of size or factor of size is important, and we should take a look. We cannot simply say that, oh, it's only size. We don't care about size. We only see the concentration and blah blah. But nevertheless, the particle size is essential in affecting the rate of reaction. So that's all from me. Thank you.